In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter bill and pay with a credit card in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take an existing vendor bill and record the payment to the correct credit card account so your books stay accurate and easy to reconcile. Start on your QuickBooks dashboard. Move your mouse to the navigation area and hover over all apps. This opens a panel of workflows and tools designed to speed up common tasks. Without clicking yet, slide your cursor to expenses and bills. Hovering here reveals the options related to vendor transactions and money going out, which is exactly where bills live. Now click Bills. This takes you to the bills list, where you can see what's open, due, or recently processed. Find the bill you want to pay. It's helpful to glance at the vendor name, due date, and amount to make sure you've got the right one, especially if you have similar invoices. On the right side of that bills row, click the small drop-down arrow. This menu gives you quick actions you can take without opening the entire bill. Choose Mark as Paid. QuickBooks will open the bill payment screen for that specific bill. This is where you tell the system which account the payment is coming from and confirm the details. Look for the bank credit account field. This drop-down controls where the payment will post, which affects how it shows up in your registers and on your balance sheet. From the bank credit account list, select the appropriate credit card. Pick the exact card you use for this vendor so the charge flows to the right liability account. As you do this, take a quick moment to confirm the payment date aligns with when the charge actually hit your card, and make sure the amount matches the bill total. If you don't see your card in the list, it likely means the account hasn't been set up yet in your chart of accounts, and you'll want to address that outside this workflow before proceeding. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close. QuickBooks marks the bill as paid and records a corresponding charge to your credit card account. You'll see the bill leave your open bills list, and the credit card liability will reflect the new amount. Later, when your credit card feed imports the matching transaction, you'll be able to confirm it during reconciliation with confidence. That's it. You hovered to expenses and bills, opened the bills workspace, used the row drop-down to mark the bill as paid, selected your credit card as the payment account, and saved your changes. Follow these steps each time you pay a vendor bill with a card, and your records will stay clean, consistent, and ready for month end.